Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing this blue eyeshadow look. I use the James Charles X Morphe palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get into the video. So before I do my eyeshadow, I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Focus and Fix Eye Primer by Revolution. You can use any primer, but I've just found that if you use a primer, then the eyeshadow sticks to your eyes better, and it just primes your lid to make sure you get a nice pop of colour. So for my first colour, I'm just using the colour Blue Playground, and I'm putting this in my outer lid and just trying to pack it on, and then I can blend it out later. I'm just applying it to my crease as well, just to give the colour some dimension and to make sure that it blends properly. Doing the same for the other eye, I'm just going to pack it into my outer lid and blend it up into the crease. I packed it on first and then tried to blend it out, but you can add as much or as little as you want depending on the colour that you want. With the shade Brother, I'm just getting this and packing it onto my outer lid. I want to make sure that I don't pack it on too much, but I also add it into my crease and blend it out as well. Next, I'm just adding some concealer to half of my lid, so I just want to make sure that this is even on both sides. I just packed on a little bit of concealer where I want the lighter shade to go on my lid. Using a more denser brush, I'm just getting the shade Flashback and just packing this on to where I applied the concealer. So I just want to make sure this covers all of the concealer. Then on top of that flashback shade, I'm just adding the shade Hello, which is glittery shimmery blue. So I want to pack this on to where I applied the white and then blend this out so it blends out with the Playground shade blue. Doing the same on the other eye, just applying the glittery blue shade on top of the white shade and making sure that I add it into my crease as well and pack it on properly. I'm getting that same shade of Playground and I'm just packing this onto my outer lid and then blending it out with the lighter glittery blue. So I just want to make sure that both of these blend together well and then they transition so it doesn't look there's a line between them. Liner, I'm just getting a Maybelline liner and I'm just making a cat wing with this liner and then cleaning up with a wipe to make sure it looks neat and tidy. Now for mascara, I'm just adding this L'Oreal Hippie mascara and I'm just applying this all over my lashes. I don't really wear fake lashes, so I'm just trying to make sure that I extend my lashes and make them look nice and voluminous. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, then thumbs me up. Make sure you subscribe, click the post notification bell so that when I upload, you will get notifications of all my videos, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at CC's Life. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.